Jolene Benitez. Did you sightsee on your last trip? You was the most interesting place you visit? Yes, I went sightsee on my last trip. I visited Guatapé town, but that is a place near Medellin City, and is very interesting place for its tourist places. Have you ever met a new friend on a trip? You did it happen? Yes, I have met many friends on a trip. I have met some friends when I traveled to Cartagena. I meet friends on then you were a group of guys you play a Christian short. 3. What's the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? I have tried with changua. That is a known food for me because it may be an ingredient very disgusting. 4. What place have you visit on your trip? On my trip, I have visiting La Piedra del Peñol. That is a place very wonderful and exciting. 5. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity was climbing tattoo, eso en fuel, adrenaline, when climbing those. Thank you.